Hi Nail Fam, I hope that you guys are doing well. Today is super exciting because MELODYSUSIE has sent me a package and I was just screaming at the top of my lungs because I've been wanting to try this dust collector for so long. I had this in my cart for Black Friday and then I said I'll save it. I'm gonna wait because it was one of my more expensive purchases. And I said, you know what, I'll wait because I don't really do acrylic nails that much, so I didn't really justify. But anyway, long story short, they reached out and they said they were going to send me it, and I was like, yes, finally. How amazing. So this is the best nail dust collector on the planet. I haven't even opened the box. I just know because it's MELODYSUSIE. Duh. So because we have a nail dust collector, that means we can do a set of acrylic nails today, which is what I'm going to be doing. So ta-da. Here is how our lovely nail dust collector. I've had this for a few days now. The reason I couldn't immediately unbox, this is the user manual, has all the information in different languages. Please be sure to read it. The reason I couldn't do it immediately is because it came from the US and I had a US plug. So I had to go ahead on Amazon and order myself one of those adapters. And I think this is the right thing so that I could be able to turn it on because I couldn't turn it on. So I ordered this from Amazon and hopefully I bought the right thing. I should be able to plug it in there. So I'm so happy, guys. Very happy. So this is the plug here. Let's see if it works. Please work. Come on, man. Don't tell me like that. What are you doing wrong? Why the plug ain't going in? Oh, there you go. Oh, I was getting scared just now. Okay, so the plug looks like it's going to work. Very happy about that. And we're just going to take a quick peek at it. Obviously, we're going to turn it on when I'm doing my acrylic nails. But this is how the dust collector looks. And we have our power button and our fan speed on the side here. Here's how the bottom of the dust collector looks with all of the information that you need. I absolutely love it. And it's so compact, so small. It fits on your desk, gets the job done, and that's basically it. And I'm assuming when you want to change your vents, you just lift this piece up here, dust this out using I think a hair dryer I saw recommended. And then MELODYSUSIE also has replacement vents. I think that's called a vent. So definitely, if you're interested in MELODYSUSIE and their amazing products, feel free to use my description. My discount code down in the description box. Thank you so much, MELODYSUSIE. You guys just don't know how grateful I am to have this. All right, now let's get into some acrylic nails today. Now, like I said, we're gonna be putting the dust collector to the test. Now, also from Amazon, for some reason I couldn't find my flowers, so I ended up ordering a new set. And then the day before this just arrived today, I found them. They was in one box, underneath the boxes. I had so much stuff, so I ended up ordering the same set of flowers. So I just have some extras. I'll probably save this for a giveaway because these are really trendy. I'm sure they're gonna come back. So I have some flowers here. This is the new stuff that I ordered from Amazon. So it was that plug, and then these are some new flowers. These are different than the other ones. They have different colors in them. I mainly got them because there were some colors in this that I didn't have. See this pretty brown one here, and I have like a mustard and an orange. I didn't have those. And then we have darker purple as well. I think this is a darker blue. Yeah. So yeah, they are actually different. Even the white different. Oh, okay. Get yourself some flowers, guys. You will not regret it. All right, now this is what I actually want to do. I want to do some conversation heart encapsulations. I got this off of Amazon. It was like a 3-pack. See these little hearts over here that have little words on it and stuff like that. That's what I want to try to do. Disclaimer, guys, I'm not a nail tech. I have a certification in applying full cover nails as well as soft gel. So I have been trained in soft gel application. I have not been trained in acrylic application. This is not an acrylic tutorial. This is me showing you how I apply acrylic as a beginner. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty, aren't they? Beautiful. So that is in a gist what I'm going to be using. In my Phoenix mystery box, I had got a new damping dish, which I will be using today. Hopefully that's going to help contain the monomer. Me and monomer, it's not working out, but I still have it. So this is the Moto One's acrylic liquid. This has been the only one that I've been able to tolerate, but lately I've not been able to tolerate it. So I'm not sure what's going on. So I purchased this off of Amazon. I'm going to be using this number 10 Royalty Nail Supplies acrylic brush. This was in a TikTok scoop. This was a free gift from Royalty Nail Supply from a TikTok scoop that I ordered a few months back. I don't have a discount code, but I know that I Am Biscuit 7 has a discount code. If she watches this video, or if you are already following her, go and look for her discount code. I think it might be I Am Biscuit 7. I'm not 100% sure. My Phoenix mystery box, I had received some acrylics that I want to test out. I had received this pink cottontail one. I had received this crystal clear one, which we're going to be using to encapsulate. And I had received this butterfly kiss. I think I want to use the butterfly kiss today. And I am thinking that I actually want to try not polish acrylic as well. Let me see which color I want to use. Come right back. Okay, so I don't think I used laser beams yet, have I? I don't think so. I might do a marble with this. Let me see if I can get my bearings right here. Crystal clear with the pink and another pink kind of marble. Okay. In collaboration with these conversation hearts. Okay, and then I hear people been swearing by this nude panther from Not Polish. So I feel like I want to test that out as well. So I'm gonna kill a couple birds in one stone in this video today. All right, guys. So let us get started. I think I'm gonna go in with nude panthers. Again, this is not a tutorial, so I'm just going to allow you to watch me to apply these acrylics and see how I progress. Okay, so I finally finished just as best as I could. They a little bite up, so they need to be filed and shaped up. I've just plugged in the MELODYSUSIE dust collector. I just want to turn it on so you can hear it. And that's on this one. And if you put it on that one, you can just feel the suction. So it's actually working really nicely. I'm not even sure you heard what I said just now. I guess it was, but that's just how it sounds. All right, so now I'm gonna grab my 8100 file from Phoenix Nail Co. here. And I'm gonna go ahead and try to file and shape up these nails. See what I can do. Okay, y'all, when I say tired, I am tired. Like, I'm tired filing, I'm tired. And I think the nail's gonna pop off if I do any more. So this is the best I could do right now. So I'm gonna put some top coat on and maybe put a little butterfly on a little ring finger right there. So I'll be right back. Okay, nail fam, here's how the nails are looking. Again, I could not file anymore because then the nails would pop off and it would be a whole mess. So I tried my best with what I could do. And it turned out okay. I mean, it's not that bad looking. Obviously there's space for improvement, but overall the purpose of this video was mainly for the dust collector, not necessarily these acrylic nails. All right guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.